his head. Okay. Safety off. Ready? I'll make him stop. You see him?
Yeah, I see him.
Are you on him? Yeah. Alright, shoot him.
3, 2, 1. I did it!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Hey, give me a high five.
I'm crying.
I love you so much.
That mask is literally like holding up tears.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That happened so fast, didn't it? Yeah.
I was like, I saw all those hens, I just saw more and more and more, and I knew that it was gonna lead me to something.
Yeah.
I was really excited. I want to go take a picture.
Hey, I love you.
I love you too.
I'm so proud of you.
Thanks for taking me out here and teaching me how to shoot one and everything. It's amazing.
Let's go get your first turkey.
Just to see you smile, I'd do anything that you wanted me to. When all is said and done, I'd never count the cost. It's worth all that's lost. Just to see you smile.